After the EF4 tornado ravaged Loyal, Wisconsin, its full impact is only now becoming apparent. We'll explore the disaster zone and witness the community's resilience and compassion. We've lost our homes, but not our hope. The Loyal community has shown incredible strength. As relief efforts unfold, we'll encounter resilience, compassion, and neighbor helping neighbor. In this unprecedented tragedy, small-town America exemplifies strength and human resilience, with even the broken human spirit unyielding. It's just the beginning of rebuilding. But Loyal has already embarked on its journey. To support disaster relief, visit redcross.org and follow for more stories from the ground.